Hello and welcome to Backyard Wildlife Earthworms. Did you know that earthworms are wildlife? Wildlife aren't just tigers and bears. Also, anything that lives out in the wild is considered wildlife. So, Backyard Wildlife Earthworms is another nonfiction book all about worms, and I can't wait to learn more. So, a lot of nonfiction books have a table of contents, and so does this book. And there are 4 different chapters, and then a glossary, and a section to learn more, and an index, which we know helps us look up information we're interested in. So the first section is what are earthworms? Let's get started. Earthworms are long, soft animals. Their bodies have many segments. There is also a different word for that we've learned. Does anyone remember what those segments are called? Setae, that's right. Earthworms are covered in small hairs. The hairs help them move. In a different book, they call those hairs something else. Bristles, that's right. Earthworms are found in forests, grasslands, and gardens. They live in soil, and you can see the illustration shows you forests, grasslands, and gardens. They stay in the damp soil during the day. Their bodies would dry up in the sun. So if they're staying in the damp soil, their bodies are probably pretty wet and damp too. Earthworms come to the surface at night. They also appear when it rains. And I hope that there was some rain this week, so you had a chance to go out and observe the earthworms on the sidewalks and driveways. Sometimes danger waits at the surface. Earthworms are prey for birds, snakes, and other predators. We haven't seen the snake before, but we have seen the bird, and if you look down there closely, you'll also see a mole that live underground with the worms. Earthworms search for food at the surface. They bring bits of plants into their burrows. Burrows is their homes where they live. Earthworms also eat soil as they move underground. Their tunnels help the soil hold water. Their tunnels also help break up soil for roots, right? Earthworms bring healthy soil to the surface, and this helps new plants grow. So here is your glossary. And if you think of some words that describe earthworms, when you look back in the book, they do talk about how they are helpful because they bring healthy soil to the surface. They're strong because they can move through underground, even though they are very small and lightweight. They are smart because they're able to search for food, and they also can store that food. All right. I hope you enjoyed today's story about earthworms. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. Remember, if you want to read it again or read more about worms or other animals, make sure you check out Epic.